Hi guys, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to continue with topic real numbers of class 10th. So proving so and so is an irrational numbers. Okay, prove that 3 root 2 is an irrational number. Okay, so to prove this sum, we need to assume that the given irrational number is a rational number, and we need to proceed. Okay, so let us assume 3 root 2 is a rational number. So if it was a rational number, it should be of p by q form, right? So which cannot be, which are irreducible, means where p and q are co-primes, which has only one as a common factor. Okay, therefore root 2 equal to p by 3q guys. We splitted root 2 equal to p by 3q. We know that 2 is a irrational number and p by 3q is a rational number, right? How these two becomes equal? Therefore it cannot be equal, right? Therefore our assumption is wrong. Okay, irrational number cannot be equal to rational number. Therefore our assumption is wrong. Therefore 3 root 2 cannot be a rational number. Therefore 3 root 2 is a irrational number guys. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Thank you.